Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to read a new chapter from our Joyful Mathematics of class 2. The chapter name is Grouping and Sharing. So let's start reading. What are you looking at?
What are you looking at?
I am counting the wheels of auto rickshaws
I am counting the wheels of auto rickshaws
and bicycles
and bicycles
by adding the number of their wheels,
by adding the number of their wheels,
but I missed the cars
but I missed the cars
as they had started moving.
as they had started moving.
Okay,
Okay,
I will show you a way
I will show you a way
of finding the total number of wheels.
of finding the total number of wheels.
There were 7 cars
There were 7 cars
and each car had 4 wheels.
and each car had 4 wheels.
So the total number of wheels
So the total number of wheels
is 7 times 4
is 7 times 4
means 28.
means 28.
How did you do it, Ramya?
How did you do it, Ramya?
Can you please explain?
Can you please explain?
Discuss the importance of traffic rules
Discuss the importance of traffic rules
with children.
with children.
Let us do.
Let us do.
There are 4 bicycles.
There are 4 bicycles.
Each bicycle has 2 wheels.
Each bicycle has 2 wheels.
Total wheels
Total wheels
is equal to
is equal to
2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2
2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2
is equal to 8.
is equal to 8.
We are adding 2
We are adding 2
for 4 times.
for 4 times.
So
So
4 times 2
4 times 2
is also 8,
is also 8,
or 4 groups of 2
or 4 groups of 2
give 8.
give 8.
You know,
You know,
times can be written as
times can be written as
x.
x.
4 into 2
4 into 2
is equal to 8.
is equal to 8.
Wow,
Wow,
this is easy.
this is easy.
Let me do this.
Let me do this.
For auto rickshaws now,
For auto rickshaws now,
number of auto rickshaws
number of auto rickshaws
is equal to 2.
is equal to 2.
Each auto has 3 wheels.
Each auto has 3 wheels.
Total wheels
Total wheels
is equal to
is equal to
3 plus 3
3 plus 3
is equal to 6.
is equal to 6.
2 times 3 is 6,
2 times 3 is 6,
or 2 groups of 3
or 2 groups of 3
is 6.
is 6.
2 into 3 is equal to 6.
2 into 3 is equal to 6.
Let us do it for cars.
Let us do it for cars.
Number of cars
Number of cars
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Number of wheels
Number of wheels
in each car
in each car
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Total wheels
Total wheels
is equal to
is equal to
blank times 4 is blank.
blank times 4 is blank.
7 groups of blank
7 groups of blank
is blank.
is blank.
Blank into blank is equal to blank.
Blank into blank is equal to blank.
How many 4s are you adding?
How many 4s are you adding?
Blank.
Blank.
We can write it as
We can write it as
7 4s are 28.
7 4s are 28.
Let us do.
Let us do.
Number of butterflies
Number of butterflies
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Number of wings
Number of wings
in each butterfly
in each butterfly
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Total number of wings
Total number of wings
is equal to blank
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank,
Is equal to blank.
or 3 groups of blank
Or 3 groups of blank
is blank.
is blank.
Blank times 2 is 6.
Blank times 2 is 6.
3 2s are blank.
3 2s are blank.
Blank into blank is equal to blank.
Blank into blank is equal to blank.
Number of octopuses
Number of octopuses
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Number of legs in each octopus
Number of legs in each octopus
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Total number of legs
Total number of legs
is equal to blank
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Is equal to blank.
2 groups of blank
2 groups of blank
is blank.
is blank.
2 times blank
2 times blank
is 16.
is 16.
2 8s are blank.
2 8s are blank.
Blank into blank is equal to blank.
Blank into blank is equal to blank.
Number of lines
Number of planks
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Number of soldiers
Number of soldiers
in each line
in each line
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Total number of soldiers
Total number of soldiers
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Blank times blank is 40.
Blank times blank is 40.
4 tens are blank.
4 tens are blank.
Blank into blank is equal to blank.
Blank into blank is equal to blank.
Complete the table.
Complete the table.
3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3.
3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3.
4 times 3.
4 times 3.
4 into 3 is equal to 12 stars.
4 into 3 is equal to 12 stars.
5 plus 5 plus 5.
5 plus 5 plus 5.
Blank.
Blank.
Blank fingers.
Blank fingers.
Blank.
Blank.
6 times 3.
6 times 3.
Blank bananas.
Blank bananas.
Blank.
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 4 into 4 is equal to 16 oranges.
4 into 4 is equal to 16 oranges.
Blank.
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 2 into 5 is equal to 10 pencils.
2 into 5 is equal to 10 pencils.
Blank.
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 3 into 5 is equal to 15 balls.
3 into 5 is equal to 15 balls.
Match the following.
Match the following.
Match the following.
Match the following.
7 fives are
7 fives are
4 groups of 10.
4 groups of 10.
3 into 9.
3 into 9.
3 into 8.
3 into 8.
2 sevens are
2 sevens are
5 times 3.
5 times 3.
Complete the table of 2.
Complete the table of 2.
2 ones are 2.
2 ones are 2.
2 into 1 is equal to 2.
2 into 1 is equal to 2.
2 twos are 4.
2 twos are 4.
2 into 2 is equal to 4.
2 into 2 is equal to 4.
2 threes are 6.
2 threes are 6.
2 into 3 is equal to 6.
2 into 3 is equal to 6.
Blank.
Blank.
Complete the table of 3.
Complete the table of 3.
3 ones are 3.
3 ones are 3.
3 into 1 is equal to 3.
3 into 1 is equal to 3.
3 twos are 6.
3 twos are 6.
3 into 2 is equal to 6.
3 into 2 is equal to 6.
3 threes are 9.
3 threes are 9.
3 into 3 is equal to 9.
3 into 3 is equal to 9.
Blank.
Blank.
Complete the table of 5.
Complete the table of 5.
5 ones are 5.
5 ones are 5.
5 into 1 is equal to 5.
5 into 1 is equal to 5.
5 twos are 10.
5 twos are 10.
5 into 2 is equal to 10.
5 into 2 is equal to 10.
5 threes are 15.
5 threes are 15.
5 into 3 is equal to 15.
5 into 3 is equal to 15.
Blank.
Blank.
Complete the table of 10.
Complete the table of 10.
10 ones are 10.
10 ones are 10.
10 into 1 is equal to 10.
10 into 1 is equal to 10.
Blank.
Blank.
How many?
How many?
There are 4 bouquets.
There are 4 bouquets.
4 groups of 3 flowers.
4 groups of 3 flowers.
4 into 3.
4 into 3.
Ram used
Ram used
12 flowers in all.
12 flowers in all.
There are 3 bouquets.
There are 3 bouquets.
3 groups of 4 flowers.
3 groups of 4 flowers.
3 into 4.
3 into 4.
Gopal used
Gopal used
12 flowers in all.
12 flowers in all.
Did you observe something?
Did you observe something?
Discuss.
Discuss.
Test your observation
Test your observation
with other examples.
with other examples.
4 groups of 5.
4 groups of 5.
Blank times 5 is blank.
Blank times 5 is blank.
4 into 5 is equal to blank.
4 into 5 is equal to blank.
There are blank gulab jamuns.
There are blank gulab jamuns.
5 groups of 4.
5 groups of 4.
Blank times 4 is blank.
Blank times 4 is blank.
5 into 4 is equal to blank.
5 into 4 is equal to blank.
There are blank gulab jamuns.
There are blank gulab jamuns.
6 groups of 4.
6 groups of 4.
Blank times 4 is blank.
Blank times 4 is blank.
6 into 4 is equal to blank.
6 into 4 is equal to blank.
There are blank flowers.
There are blank flowers.
4 groups of 6.
4 groups of 6.
Blank times 6 is blank.
Blank times 6 is blank.
4 into 6 is equal to blank.
4 into 6 is equal to blank.
There are blank flowers.
There are blank flowers.
A.
A.
There are 8 packets of bindage.
There are 8 packets of bindis.
Each packet has
Each packet has
5 bindage.
5 bindis.
Number of packets
Number of packets
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Number of bindage in each packet
Number of bindis in each packet
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Blank groups of blank
Blank groups of blank
bindage.
bindis.
Blank into blank is equal to blank bindage.
Blank into blank is equal to blank bindis.
B.
B.
Bharti puts 4 buttons
Bharti puts 4 buttons
on each shirt.
on each shirt.
She wants to put buttons
She wants to put buttons
on 7 shirts.
on 7 shirts.
Number of shirts
Number of shirts
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Number of buttons
Number of buttons
on each shirt
on each shirt
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Blank groups of blank
Blank groups of blank
buttons.
buttons.
Blank into blank is equal to blank buttons.
Blank into blank is equal to blank buttons.
C.
C.
Rita bought 6 pencils
Rita bought 6 pencils
of rupee 4 each.
of rupee 4 each.
How much money
How much money
will she give to the shopkeeper?
will she give to the shopkeeper?
Number of pencils
Number of pencils
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Cost of 1 pencil
Cost of 1 pencil
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Cost of 6 pencils
Cost of 6 pencils
is equal to
is equal to
4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4.
4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus
Blank into blank is equal to blank.
blank into blank is equal to blank.
So,
So,
Rita will give rupee blank
Rita will give rupees blank
to the shopkeeper.
to the shopkeeper.
D.
D.
5 people can sit in a car.
5 people can sit in a car.
How many people
How many people
can sit in 8 such cars?
can sit in 8 such cars?
Number of people sitting in one car
Number of people sitting in one car
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Number of people sitting in 8 cars
Number of people sitting in 8 cars
is equal to blank.
is equal to blank.
Blank into blank is equal to blank.
Blank into blank is equal to blank.
Blank people can sit in 8 cars.
Blank people can sit in 8 cars.
Making multiplication table.
Making multiplication table.
Rudra is making
Rudra is making
multiplication table of 4
multiplication table of 4
using the table of 2.
using the table of 2.
Table of 2,
Table of 2.
table of 4.
Table of 4.
This is interesting.
This is interesting.
Let us now make
Let us now make
the table of 6
the table of 6
from the table of 3.
from the table of 3.
Table of 3,
Table of 3.
table of 3,
Table of 3.
table of 6.
Table of 6.
Project work.
Project work.
Collect 24 small objects
Collect 24 small objects
like buttons,
like buttons,
bottle caps,
bottle caps,
pebbles,
pebbles,
etc.
etc.
Arrange them in different arrays
Arrange them in different arrays
and write the related
and write the related
multiplication facts.
multiplication facts.
How many of these facts
How many of these facts
can you find?
can you find?
Record your answers
Record your answers
in the table given below.
in the table given below.
Number of groups,
Number of groups,
3 groups of 4.
3 groups of 4.
Multiplication facts,
Multiplication facts,
3 into 4.
3 into 4.
Let us share.
Let us share.
Wow!
Wow!
Gulab jamuns.
Gulab jamuns.
I wish I could eat them all.
I wish I could eat them all.
Please no.
Please no.
I also want to eat.
I also want to eat.
Let us share them equally.
Let us share them equally.
But how?
But how?
I will share one by one.
I will share one by one.
See,
See,
one for you,
one for you,
one for me.
one for me.
Take one more.
Take one more.
Now,
Now,
2 for you,
2 for you,
2 for me.
2 for me.
3 for you.
3 for you.
3 for me.
3 for me.
4 for you.
4 for you.
4 for me.
4 for me.
Now
Now
they are divided equally.
they are divided equally.
Yes, bhaiya.
Yes, Bhaiya.
I cannot wait to eat
I cannot wait to eat
4 gulab jamuns.
4 gulab jamuns.
A.
A.
How many gulab jamuns
How many gulab jamuns
were there in total?
were there in total?
Blank.
Blank.
B.
B.
Have they shared equally?
Have they shared equally?
Yes
Yes
or
or
no?
no?
C.
C.
How many gulab jamuns
How many gulab jamuns
did each of them get?
did each of them get?
Blank.
Blank.
Let us do.
Let us do.
A.
A.
Complete Ritu's art
Complete Ritu's art
and craft project
and craft project
by drawing 12 bindis equally
by drawing 12 bindis equally
on 2 ice cream cones
on 2 ice cream cones
as cherries.
as cherries.
B.
B.
Pooja has 2 plates.
Pooja has 2 plates.
Each plate
Each plate
has a different number of laddus
has a different number of laddus
in it.
in it.
Help her divide the laddus equally
Help her divide the laddus equally
in 3 plates.
in 3 plates.
You can draw and color the laddus.
You can draw and color the laddus.
How many groups?
How many groups?
Hi,
Hi,
I am Garima.
I am Garima.
I have 20 star-shaped beads
I have 20 star-shaped beads
and I will use 5 beads
and I will use 5 beads
to make each bracelet.
to make each bracelet.
Look,
Look,
one bracelet is ready.
one bracelet is ready.
Isn't it beautiful?
Isn't it beautiful?
I have made 2 bracelets.
I have made 2 bracelets.
Now,
Now
10 beads are left.
10 beads are left.
Let us see
Let us see
how many more
how many more
can we make.
can we make.
Yay!
Yay!
3 bracelets are ready.
3 bracelets are ready.
I have used all the beads finally.
I have used all the beads finally.
Let us make
Let us make
A.
A.
Each string has 7 beads.
Each string has 7 beads.
How many strings can we make
How many strings can we make
with 21 beads?
with 21 beads?
Blank.
Blank.
B.
B.
There are 54 flowers.
There are 54 flowers.
Join 9 flowers
Join 9 flowers.
to make one bracelet. How many bracelets
How many bracelets
can we make with 54 flowers?
can we make with 54 flowers?
C.
See,
There are 25 roses.
there are 25 roses.
5 roses can be placed
5 roses can be placed
in one vase.
in one vase.
How many vases
How many vases
are needed for placing 25 roses?
are needed for placing 25 roses?
Blank vases are needed.
Blank vases are needed.
D.
D.
There are 27 candles.
There are 27 candles.
Put them equally in 3 boxes.
Put them equally in 3 boxes.
How many candles
How many candles
will be in each box?
will be in each box?
There will be
There will be
blank candles in each box.
blank candles in each box.
E.
E.
A tailor puts 6 buttons
A tailor puts 6 buttons
on one shirt.
on one shirt.
Here are 30 buttons.
Here are 30 buttons.
The tailor will be able
The tailor will be able
to put 30 buttons
to put 30 buttons
on blank shirts.
on blank shirts.
F.
F.
Share 24 bananas equally
Share 24 bananas equally
among 3 monkeys.
among 3 monkeys.
Each monkey will get
Each monkey will get
blank bananas.
blank bananas.